Okay, in order for this actually to work, we need a script. And Scott Spencer has wrote this little script for us. Basically, it fixes up Maya because in Maya 2008, our ability to use the whites off a map, off the displacement map, to subdivide the mesh, have kind of got goofed up a little bit. So this kind of sets it back to what it used to be, which was cool to begin with. So why mess with good, right? So this is located under Zbrush Central and rendering successful displacements in 2008 under the Zbrush tutorials forum. Okay, and here is the script. Thanks, Scott. And we don't need the comments area. We're just going to copy this. Make sure you go into a notepad and paste it in there and then recopy it out. Okay? That's just good practice for a coder. Okay? Because what'll happen is some kind of styles will jump out of the internet and onto your code, which is not a good thing. So Notepad doesn't understand styles. Okay, make sure mental ray is active. And that's underneath the rendering editors. And click on your mesh and we'll set this up real quick. Let's go to mental ray and approximation editor. I'm going to set up the approximation editor first and then go into create, edit. And I'm still going to set these settings. I'm not sure if everything gets changed or not, but spatial 5 and 6. And then I'm going to go down here to the mel and paste that code in. Control V. Okay, and hit enter. All right, now if you're boggled to whether that worked or not, you can actually go in here to the script editor and you can see it did run okay. Good. Now, what do we need? We need a displacement map, right? Well, luckily that in Hypershade, we have this thing, the R32. Now, what is super nice about Maya 2008 is the fact that you don't have to do the stupid map conversion now, which was a pain. You still should do the map conversion later on because that just speeds up your rendering. So rendering might be a little slower, but know that you can debug things. Look at that. Even get real-time preview with 32-bit. Amazing. Okay, so click on Lambert, click input and output connections, and we need to set up a node. We need this node to go. I just passed it. Yeah, there it is. Displacement to the input output shader group here. Default. This one, middle mouse button, click and drag it over to default. Okay, now we have everything we need, and in the next movie, I'll show you how to debug it.